Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix latency in Logic Pro. So let's get straight into it. Now what we are going to do is tap the More button. These are three dots at the top right corner. Then jump into the settings, select App Settings, and then select Audio tab on the left side menu bar like so. Look for the I/O buffer size drop down menu, so right here, and now from here you can choose from 64 samples all the way to 512 samples. So 64 and 128 samples for recording is yeah, most crucial. Then you have um, 256, and the highest one is change back when you are finished recording and ready to mix your song. And yeah, lower buffer size forces Logic to process audio much faster, minimizing the delay. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.